your newspaper, and then you ran down to go get your train to the other end.
Wow.
These are all the grade 2 listed windows. These are actually all the platforms along the Caledonian Railway line. So
Wow.
good to have a nice sunny day to see them all lit up.
Yes.
My favourite is over in the boat.
Oh, okay. Our favorite is the Christ. Straight away.
That's Castle down there as well.
Oh,
And you
wow.
can imagine all these would have been lit up by candlelight when it was first opened in 1903.
That's
but just at the end of the
amazing.
Victorian period, all the ladies in
Yeah.
their lovely, beautiful dresses and things like that.
Oh,
so
wow.
I love looking at that. And even just the width of the corridors was completely new at that time as well.
Okay. This is beautiful, actually, the paintings. Look at that.
I love the staircase.
It's
so
beautiful.
dramatic for people.
Yes, yes.
Then you also have these original blueprints of the station
Oh,
all around
wow.
here too. So there's a huge amount of storytelling around here too. So I won't do a huge history quiz, promise.
Yeah.
But it's amazing to see.
Yes.
You got in here. I've been here for about 4.5 years now.
Oh,
And
you.
just experiencing all of it. And I was like, when I got here, I was like, give me the archives. I'd love to
Okay.
know more about
yes,
what's
yes,
going on.
more about the history of the place, isn't it? I mean,
So-
it's stunning the way it was decorated and everything, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
So just making sure. We have one of the newer categories we actually created about 1.5 years ago now.
Okay.
These are 2-bedroom family suites.
Oh, wow.
So-
Oh, this is a huge bathroom. Look at this.
Beautiful white marble bath.
That's
Your
beautiful.
ace of products.
Yeah.
Big bath.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
So you know we have the most castle-facing rooms out of all the hotels in Edinburgh.
Yeah.
And we have
Oh. Oh my.
that's the reaction we want.
Oh wow, and that's exactly what you get. This is amazing.
Beautiful.
Oh, look at this view. It couldn't be more, isn't it? Like it's
And you have
literally
the
facing the
best
castle.
day to see it as well. So it's just
This
so
is
gorgeous.
amazing. Wow, this is beautiful.
It's so popular in these rooms, especially with families. We have 2
Yeah.
facing the castle and 2 non-castle facing.
Wow, I love this one. That's
These were
gorgeous.
originally actually connecting them, so we already had the infrastructure for them.
Oh,
We
okay.
just thought because there was so much demand for families and everything.
Even here.
I know. So all the suites, whether they're signature, whether they're
Yeah.
a 2-bed family, all come with binoculars. They come with a decanter of whiskey. They come with
Yeah.
everything of these amenities as well. You can
Wow.
treat yourself to during your stay.
Oh, I love this. This is brilliant. This
You
is
can
so.
imagine having dining breakfast first thing in the morning,
Exactly. Imagine I would be just sitting here and that's it.
or in your bed. looking
Wow,
at the castle.
So lovely.
So
So
book you in here next time.
you have 2 rooms facing castle. Or
sorry.
how many rooms do you have facing
Facing the
castle?
castle, we have about 62.
62.
Yes. A nice size.
Right.
And all of the rooms from the entresol up to the 4th floor, so the
Yeah.
5 floors of rooms
Okay.
that are going to have that castle.
That view.
And this height of ceiling as well.
Oh, that's
And
crazy.
then on the 5th floor, that's actually where the servants' quarters was.
Okay.
So there's a little bit more of an alcove ceiling, but they're actually really cozy. We have some Queen Junior suites up there as well. So
There is more. Oh.
So because this was 3 rooms originally, you have the converted bathrooms. You have 3 bathrooms in this suite.
What?
This twin bedroom.
Oh my god. And it's the same size. Look at this. Okay.
more of that view.
Yes, this is amazing. Oh, for families, this is brilliant. Look, it's more. It's huge.
So much storage as well.
Yeah.
And also you're so close to just this spa entrance is just a floor down.
Oh,
There's a
yes,
private
yes,
elevator
yes,
to
yes,
get to
yes,
as well,
yes,
so
yeah.
it's so easy.
This is beautiful, and the beds are huge. This is
They're
great.
double beds actually. for
Yeah,
as well,
yeah.
So you got plenty
Wow.
of space. Nice Egyptian cotton sheets. Wow.
Yeah. She's
Well,
impressed.
we're going to book you in next time.
She's impressed. Amazing.
You get to enjoy all the lovely Aesop bath products. I love those so much.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Whiskey.
Oh, whiskey.
There's so
Wow,
many
the whole
pieces of
bottle.
antique furniture and everything all around.
Yeah. It's
All of them
amazing.
are quite unique in their own way. Kind of
Yeah.
design.
Yeah.
You got to enjoy the lovely wallpaper with the thistles and everything as well on your walls. So
Yes.
Got
Amazing.
everybody out of here. She's staying here now. This is her home.
I think so. She wanna stay another night, I think. Are you coming? My sister, are you coming?
You're good.
Okay.
And we also have, we have the 4-bedroom families, so 2-bedroom family suites. We also have
Yeah.
a 3-bedroom suite, the Caledonian suite, which I would love to have shown you today, but it is occupied.
Oh, it's occupied.
But with this one, these are so unique with their theming and
Okay.
the storytelling in these rooms. So
Oh,
it's really nice
wow.
to show you these ones as
So
well.
signature ones, okay.
Yes. And we have 3 that are castle facing, 1 non-castle facing.
Okay.
It's called the Arthur Conan Doyle Suite, named after the author of Sherlock Holmes.
Oh wow!
It actually has his books in there.
Oh!
There's a piano in there as well. I want the sofa.
That's my favorite now, I think.
I want the sofa so bad in my flat. It's got this beautiful blue sofa and orange.
Wow!
I'll show you. I can send you over the virtual tour afterwards.
Yes, please do.
And that can actually go through all of the suites, and you can have a look at them.
Oh, amazing!
And it updates automatically every time we have a change.
Yeah, amazing.
So the Aldijana Melisa here.
I loved it. Like I love the way everything is decorated, especially the downstairs where we had breakfast.
Oh, Peacock Alley is just.
That place is
You know the story of
amazing.
Peacock Alley.
No, I don't know.
So there's a Peacock Alley in every Waldorf Astoria in the world.
Yeah.
And the reason for that is because in the original one in New York, there were 2 separate buildings, the Waldorf and the Astoria, where the Empire State Buildings were originally located.
Okay.
As you'll go in this way, it's more of a wow factor.
Okay.
So
Awesome. Yeah.
they had to create Peacock Alley in the brand new section to join the 2 hotels.
Yeah.
And then when they rebuilt the hotel on Madison and Fifth Avenue,
Yeah.
they made it the meeting spot for everyone in the city.
Oh,
And everyone
wow.
wanted to be seen there in their jewels and their ball
Yeah,
gowns and
yeah.
everything, so they stretched around like peacocks.
Oh, okay.
Called it Peacock Alley.
Peacock Alley.
That's why everyone enjoys afternoon tea in all the Waldorf Astorias in Peacock Alley.
Wow. That's amazing.
This is the Sir Walter Scott Suite.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay.
So you have all of his works actually.
Yeah. This is
He actually has a
amazing.
monument to the author himself actually on Princess Street as well.
Yeah.
You have the binoculars again that you have.
Look at
He
this.
lived in a house that's down actually in the borders of Scotland, about 40 minutes to an hour by train.
Okay.
That's the house. There's more
Oh.
detailed one in the bedroom as well. But he designed it purposely to reflect all of the stories that he loved the most, everything from Romeo and Juliet, everything through the years. So it's a beautiful house if you get the chance to go to explore it.
Yeah. I would love
But all
to.
of the details like the writing desk, the greyhound dogs,
Everything.
they're all reflected back to what he had during
This
his
is
life.
amazing. This is amazing. Wow. Look at this. Wow. More whiskey everywhere. We're in Scotland, isn't it?
Do you like whiskey? No?
Very strong.
Yeah,
I
it
can
is.
have it, but maybe a bit.
Yeah,
not
me,
too
I have
much.
to have lots of ice just to make sure.
Yeah,
but
just to make
it's
it.
quite
It's
nice.
so strong. It's super strong.
I kind of have to like it.
Yeah. This is.
My dad grew up making me like it. So
Okay.
we have the lovely bathroom.
Another like. Okay, so all the bathroom are similar.
White marble, yes.
Okay. Amazing.
And then you have the master bedroom.
Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at this. Wow. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this.
All of his stories and everything. And this is his house in closer view.
Wow.
Which just looks like it's all mixed up with different stories and everything. I love that.
So artistic as well. It's amazing how you put the art in it, isn't it?
He's quite a focal point of Edinburgh. He was mainly known for when the king arrived. I think it was King George IV.
Yeah.
He was in charge of the whole pomp and ceremony of when he arrived in the city. So he organised all of the events and everything. And then he became Sir Walter Scott after that.
Yeah. Amazing. Look at this.
It's so beautiful. I love this room.
Oh wow. So lovely. I love this one. This one is gorgeous.
So those are the rooms unfortunately I have to show you today. We're getting a huge turnaround because there's a big
Yep.
conference going on at the moment.
Okay, yeah.
But
yeah.
yes, I'll show you the good ones. I
Yeah.
make sure we have a signature suite in
That's
there to
amazing.
show you as well.
Amazing. So which room is actually the best? The one that you showed us the first one
I
for the
would say
family?
so. Anything that's a king premier room, because
Yeah.
those rooms, if you think about them separately, so they're just
Yeah.
the master bedroom.
Yeah.
That would just be a king premier castle view, and that's the one I
Okay.
would recommend most. The king premier on that side as
Yeah.
well. Everything don't get the castle.
Yeah.
You have the beautiful architecture of the new town of Edinburgh as well.
Okay, cool. Yeah,
And I
yeah.
think that's really nice to explore as well.
Okay.
because I think you just get, the further up you get into the building,
Yeah.
you can actually see over to the sea and the Firth of Forth.
Okay, yeah,
So
yeah,
it's
yeah.
amazing you can see on that side too.
Okay.
Over on this side, I'll just go to this is the corridor towards our fine dining restaurant.
Oh wow. Beautiful.
Which is called
So how many restaurants are in
Two
the
main
hotel?
restaurants, but you can also have afternoon tea served here as well.
Okay, yeah.
So they obviously, unfortunately, they are not part of us.
Hello. Hi.
They're not open at the moment. They're open on Wednesday until Sunday.
Okay.
But they are beautiful cornicing on the ceiling. You get the
Okay,
view
I
in
can
there,
see it
you know.
actually. That was smart.
And this is a separate entity from the hotel, but it's still very much. The Pompadour has been here since 1926.
1926.
The Queen dined here in 1947
Ooh.
with Prince Philip,
Ooh.
with the Duke and Duchess of Buccleuch during that time as well. So there's a lot of beautiful history that comes with that as well. But Dean Banks took over the restaurant about 2 years ago now. It's
Okay.
Michelin recommended.
Oh,
He also
okay.
has a restaurant up in St Andrews right next door to the 18th green. So if people are out there for
Okay.
playing golf as well and they want
Yeah,
to get more of his food, they're not going to
Okay.
be far away from that too.
That's
He said
amazing.
he was a MasterChef Professionals finalist in 2018.
So it's a
7-course
Michelin
tasting menu.
recommended.
Yes.
Amazing.
And my favourite course that is a staple because it was all part of his finalist menu
Yeah.
is smoked lobster in Marin butter.
Oh,
And he goes to get
you're
the
making
lobsters
me
himself
hungry now.
every day in St Andrews.
What?
It's very much a net zero sustainability focused restaurant. And this has views all the way up to Edinburgh Castle from the side. So it is a very special restaurant. My parents remember coming here.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
there's
yeah.
also people who've come, we have that window table, it's called the proposal table. So
Ah.
there's a lot of lovely stories that go with this as well.
Engagements.
And actually it can
Oh,
be hired out sometimes for small weddings as well.
okay. Wow, that's beautiful. Do you have a lot of weddings? Do people, come book the rooms and everything?
All the time, yeah.
All the time.
Especially
okay.
people who are, this is the private dining room for about 22 people, you can see in there too.
Wow, okay, I can see it. Beautiful. Wow, so lots of
Lots
weddings.
of weddings. And I think it's more for locals who have grown up with it being in Edinburgh.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
When I'm a local, so I wouldn't have
Yeah.
set foot in here because it's too nice and can't go in.
Ah,
Actually,
okay.
it is one of the most beautiful places to see.
Yeah.
I love this view as well.
Well, this place is my favorite, I think. Seriously,
family.
I love it. I love it so much.
And now you know the story about it as well.
Yeah, now I
so-
know the story. Like
Yeah.
it's amazing.
And this is what you can imagine people running around to get their train here as
Yeah.
well. That clock has been
Yeah.
there. Actually, it's older than the building itself.
Wow.
That's been there since the late 1800s, and actually
Wow.
it has survived 2 fires. And its sister lives upstairs in case the other one breaks, but it runs 5 minutes fast. You never miss your train.
Oh yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the little
It's
things like
similar
that.
than the one on the
That's
yeah.
3 minutes fast. We're 5 minutes fast.
Wow.
So
Wow.
nice too. And people, and with this is obviously where we have afternoon tea every day. The current
Yeah.
theme is the secret garden,
Oh, okay.
and it's changing every 6 weeks. So we have an amazing pastry chef who does everything like that too.
This is amazing. So the afternoon tea is changing all the
It changes
time.
all, yeah. And we
Okay.
had during the Van Gogh experience that's
Yeah,
going
yeah,
well at the
yeah,
moment. We had that just up here,
Oh.
and we had a whole afternoon tea based on his works, which
Oh,
was
wow.
stunning. And a cocktail as well that has a little bit of bounce and everything, in it,
Oh,
which was
wow.
delightful too.
That's amazing.
But at the weekend it's nice. We have a jazz trio that comes in here.
Yeah, and I heard you have a harpist as well.
Yes, and she also plays piano.
That's
and it's
amazing.
just, especially at Christmas when like the multi-generational families come in with their grandparents
Yeah.
and their grandkids. It's just so
This
lovely.
is amazing. This is truly beautiful. That's my favorite place.
Lovely oasis. as well.
It's just
The other
amazing.
restaurant is Grazing by Mark Greenaway.
Aha, okay, yeah.
And that's the one that's kind of more relaxed Scottish dining as well. So you get
Okay.
everything like a beautiful beef Wellington in there, and my favourite dessert, which is sticky toffee pudding souffle.
Oh, okay.
It is so good.
Oh,
yeah.
wow. And then there is a bar right next to it,
Yes, the
isn't
Kelly
it?
Bar as well.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
that actually was the original entrance for railway passengers.
Ah.
So they would run in this way, and only hotel guests would come in where you came in today. So it's very exclusive.
Oh, wow.
But that was the main entrance for the railway passengers.
Wow.
Very cool. It's all
Yeah, you
controlled
can
by
see
gas.
it. It was an entrance, isn't it?
Yes,
You
this
can.
would all been open air
Yeah,
during that
yeah,
time, all outside,
yeah, you
in that
see
lovely
it.
red sandstone. There's only 3
Yeah.
buildings in the city that have that.
Wow.
So it's
Wow,
really
it's
special.
beautiful. I love this place, seriously.
I could go on for days about all this.
I know.
But, you keep going.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
I haven't overloaded you with too much information.
No, it's okay.
Are you
Information's
heading
okay.
back home?
Yes, today, but our flight is quite late.